Hey everyone, we got a Ranger 1000 here. We'll give you a quick overview of the kit. This kit will fit the standard 1000 and the 1000 XP. So the heater mounts right behind this top dash piece. Really easy, you just remove it and it mounts on a framing bar right behind this. Best part about this kit is we send the OE Defrost Vents, which fit right in the embossment opening that you can see on the back side of this dash, and it's really easy to cut out, so it gives it a really factory clean OE look. We also send 2 floor louvers with the kit, and those go in the factory floor louver spots as well. And then if you want to add any air output on the middle of the dash here, there's a couple good spots on both sides to add our extender kit. If you have a crew cab, it allows you to close the defrost vents and then open this and shoot air to the back, so that's just something that you can decide if that works well for your machine. Alright, plumbing, we run the heater hose for the inlet line to the back here. There's an oil cooler line, we splice into that. Why we do that is because it's pre-thermostat. You don't have to wait for the thermostat to open and close. We start getting hot coolant run into our heater right as the machine starts warming up. So also, if you're on a drive and your machine cools down and the thermostat closes, you're not going to lose heat completely during a ride. Here's our wire harness. It has the OE connector, so go right through the rubber grommet and it plugs right into the 12-volt accessory. This kit is direct fit to your machine and hidden from sight. It fits both the standard and crew cabs and includes all necessary components for a full install on your machine. The OEM rectangular defrost vents are included in this kit, and they fit exactly in the pre-molded factory embossments on the dash. Pre-thermostat plumbing gives this kit quicker and more consistent heat, and you don't have to pay for a $100 thermostat bypass valve like you do with competitor kits. It includes a SPAL multi-speed blower and a high-performance aluminum core. Our custom multi-speed switch fits right into the factory dash.